Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, construct a minimal DFA which accepts set of all string over a comma b in which every a is never followed by a b. Now here every a should never be followed by a b. So after a there should not be b. Now this is not the complement of the previous lecture that I have told that a is followed by b. A is followed by a b that I have taught you in the previous lecture. Here it is saying that a is never followed by a b. It is not the complement. See, a is followed by b, it is containing, if you will have a, then it should have b. But if it not having a, you can have anything like epsilon, b, any number of b, because restriction here is if you are having a, then after a it should be followed by b. A is followed by b. Okay, so if you are having a, then b. If you are not having a, no restriction. Here it is saying a is never followed by b. It means if you are having a, then it should not have b. So it means again, if it is not having a, it can have anything like epsilon belongs to the lines because it is not having a. If it is having a, then a is never followed by b. Only b, 2b, 3, any number of b. But if it is having a, then it should not have b, a, any number of a. Okay, like this. So in these two languages, we are having something as common, that is epsilon, any number of b's, like this. So that's why these two languages are not the complement. It seems like that, but it is not the complement. So you know that in complement, nothing we are going to get as common, but here we are going to get as a common. So these two languages are not a complement. Okay, don't get confused between that. So since epsilon belongs to the language, so we have to make initial state as final state to accept epsilon. Now any number of b, accepted. Now if it is having a, accepted. Any number of a, accepted. But after a, if you are getting b, you have to reject it. Because a is never followed by b. So if a is never followed by b means if you are having a, then after a there should not be a b. So if you got after a there is a b, if you got, then it should go to dead state. Now after reaching this state, if you got anything, b there. So for every state I have given the transition. So this is the minimal DFA for the given language.